As soon as the cabin door is opened in the armed configuration, the slide raft and its package is released from the door, drops down and inflates within 4 seconds. During the inflation sequence, the slide is kept folded until the pressure is sufficient to break the tie releases in order to allow the deployment way off the fuselage, especially in windy conditions. Should the automatic inflation not be initiated, the manual inflation handle must be pulled. This handle is located on the right-hand side of the girt extension. The slide package container, once released from the door, is hanging down aside the fuselage. The canopy, the inflation pump and the survival kit, which are attached to the slide raft by means of a retrieving line, can be seen hanging down near the fuselage. The slide raft has a double-lane sliding surface with at the bottom end braking strips which slow down the speed of the evacuees. A lighting system is fitted along both sides and at the bottom of the slide. The lights are automatically activated during the deployment sequence. They are supplied from the cabin emergency power supply units. Indications of how to release the slide raft from the cabin floor are printed on the girt extension. Lift the flap and pull the disconnect handle. The slide remains connected to the cabin floor by means of the ditching line. This line must be released by pulling the red loop, which is stowed in a pouch at the top end of the slide. A knife can also be used to cut the line. A heaving ring allows assistance to evacuees in water. Assist handles in red color are fixed on the outside of the slide raft. 2 boarding stations are located on both sides of the raft. Each station consists of a boarding step and assist handles. 1 radio beacon with 2 antennas is fitted on the outside of 1 inflation chamber. The radio beacon emits when 1 antenna is immersed in water. The base of the antenna blinks to indicate that the radio is active. The beacon can be activated manually by pulling the red handle next to the antenna. 1 canopy support tube, which is too close to the cabin door, is bended and attached by Velcro. It has to be released to erect the tube in preparation for the canopy installation. A sea anchor is stowed between the inflation chambers at the top end of the raft. 1 locator light is fixed both sides on top of the inflation chamber. The light illuminates as soon as its battery is immersed in water. The survival kit, the hand pump and the canopy must be pulled inside the raft by means of the retrieval line. All this equipment is secured together to avoid them getting lost. The survival kit contains rescue and survival equipment. Hand pump fittings are clearly marked, and if a pump must be used, just connect one to the fittings and pump.